Welcome to 259 Woodwinds Drive. This spacious 5-bedroom, 3 full bath home with updated luxury vinyl plank flooring and granite countertops throughout inside, as well as a rear 2-car carport and plenty of parking, as well as a fenced backyard with deck. It's located in the Woodwinds subdivision in the Seven Oaks area of Northwest Columbia. It's convenient to Lake Murray, I-20 and I-26, as well as Irmo and Harbison dining and shopping. So we're out front. You can see the house sits on a nice sized lot. The majority of it is towards the front of the house, sort of on a corner-ish cul-de-sac. And you can see there's a 1-car wide driveway leading up to what is a carport, and also sort of a pass through to the rear parking area as well. And we'll actually just go ahead and walk through here because it's a little bit easier to kind of show you from the outside. So I apologize for the lack of light while we just go through this pass through area. But you can see the additional parking out back. And then again, the 2-car carport, that's a nice height, so it can accommodate a taller vehicle as well, as long as you can get it through this sort of alleyway through here. And apologize about the lack of light going through there, but we'll get back and we'll get inside and take a look at the inside of the home. So walkway or sidewalk leading up to the front entry. You have a few steps up to the front door. And then you step inside into the beautiful space. You'll notice the luxury vinyl plank flooring that is throughout the home. That's in the bathrooms as well. So we're here in the sort of a small foyer area. There is a closet, a coat closet right behind us, or on the right side of the door as we enter. That goes through to the kitchen. But first, the family room and dining room space, or living room. So you have nice vaulted ceilings in here. You may have noticed from outside the nice lighting, or the windows up top, letting in some natural light. So a nice sort of contemporary style wood looks like a wood burning brick fireplace there. And then you step up a couple of stairs to the elevated dining area, or could be additional living space as well, depending on how you want to use that. And then into the kitchen. So you have a nice large kitchen. Can accommodate an eat-in area in here too, sort of in this corner. But you have white cabinets, granite countertops, and white appliances, lower cabinets in gray. So you have an included dishwasher, electric range, above range microwave, and refrigerator over here. Additional countertop space on this side of the fridge as well. And then you have another family room or den on the back side of the home. And this does have another door to outside that basically goes out to that carport area that we viewed from the outside. You have a sliding door that lets you out to the outdoor space. So it's where you have your screened porch with the ceiling fan out here, and then beyond that you also have the large deck, and there's a storage room out here as well. In addition to that, you have the fenced yard. There's a structure back there as well, sort of a covering. So again, back inside you can see a nice porch area from this angle again. And then back inside the home proper, on the end of this room, you also do have a laundry room. Full-size washer and dryer are in here at the time of the video. I believe those do stay, but please confirm with the office, of course, before making any rental decisions to make sure those will still be there. And then we're into the hallway off the kitchen. Gonna go take a look at the bedroom. You have a closet here. That's 2 doors there, so that does open to double the width that you actually see in the opening. On down the hall, so long hall. We'll just start on our left here and work our way down. The home has 2 what you can call master bedrooms, and then this third full bath is off the hallway. So again, the granite countertops and the flooring continues, and updated vanity as well. You have a shower and tub and a single vanity in there. And then on this side is one of the two rooms that could be a master. It's the smaller of those two rooms, but still does have two closets with the additional shelving space in between, ceiling fan, and also its own bathroom, which is a full bathroom. And also has an updated vanity and granite countertops, as well as a shower and tub. And then next door, you have second bedroom. Or actually, this is the third bedroom. I actually skipped one on the way. So you do have a total of 5 in this home. Some extra recessed space over there. You can see the closet. It's a pretty decent size. So that's our second bedroom. Number 3 is here. Roughly same size closet. Pretty standard with the bifold doors. And then on down the hall, bedroom number 4. And this one also has a huge walk-in closet. So you can see quite a bit of floor space in there. And then before we get to the master, or the larger of the two masters, I guess you could say, there is this additional storage space here at the back next to it. It's just open. And then last but not least, what is our true master or owner suite of the home. You can see it's larger. It does have, of course, a ceiling fan as well in here. And you also have a walk-in closet. A lot of good hanging space. And then a full bathroom as well. So as you enter, you have the garden tub. And then you have the single vanity here. And double sinks. And then some additional shelving space there for linens. And last but not least, you have a private room for the commode. So that completes our tour of this home, 259 Woodwinds Drive in Northwest Columbia. You can find more information on this home by visiting the website at turnerproperties.com.